Kalangat police recently arrested staff of downtown club at Kalangat for attacking two local youth. While story looked very simple, the story of Delhi party versus locals, but the actual CCTV footage procured by the GNH from the club tells a different version. The video shows the two youth arriving inside the club. The youth allegedly misbehaved with the customers, and when bartender questioned them what they did, they hit the bartender. The story does not end there. Both of them are seen in the video moving out of the club only to return with a larger crowd. The video shows them gathering at the gate of the club and then provoking the staff. Look what happened here. There was verbal exchange and then the fight, apparently to get inside the club. They were stopped from entering the club, and they went on to become more aggressive. Rest is the history. There was a fight. GNH has procured this CCTV footage to give the real story behind the downtown club. The question is now, who is the force behind the troublemakers?
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.